Linking your bank account to TaxSlayer is a straightforward process that allows you to easily manage your tax refunds and payments. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your TaxSlayer account. Visit the TaxSlayer website and log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Once logged in, find the section labeled Banking or Payment Options in your account dashboard. This is where you will manage your bank account information. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Look for an option that says Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the process of entering your bank details. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Fill in the required fields with your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to TaxSlayer, making your tax filing process smooth. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TaxSlayer support for assistance.